Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2023. Question number 7B2 is, it has been decided to supply a load with a maximum demand of 750 megawatts and the load factor of 75%. A choice has to be made between a steam power plant and a hydraulic power plant. Determine a running cost per kilowatt hour and to D overall cost per kilowatt hour. For both cases as given below, cost steam power plant and hydraulic power plant. Capital cost per megawatt installed is 30 crore for steam power plant and 40 crore for hydraulic power plant. And interest is 8%, 7% for steam and hydraulic respectively. Operating cost 2 and 1. Operating cost per hour per kilowatt hour 2 and 1 with for steam and hydraulic. And transmission distribution cost per kilowatt hour is 0.6 and 0.8 for steam and hydraulic. And depreciation cost is 7% and 5%. So here first of all taking steam power plant, the capital cost is as 75 megawatt is produced. So the cost per that is given at 30 crore per megawatt. So and 40 crore for hydraulic plant. The capital cost comes out as 30 into 10 plus 7 into 750, that is 22500 10 plus 7 rupees. And interest on this capital is 8% and depreciation 7%. That is given. Interest is 8% and depreciation 7%. So calculating these costs. So and these are the fixed cost, interest and depreciation. So that is your 3375 into 10 for interest plus depreciation. And energy generated per hour is per year is average load into number of hours 24 into 365. So average load is peak load is 750 and average load is 0.75. So 0.75 sorry, load factor is 0.75, so average load is 0.75 into 750. So it comes as 492.75 into 7 kilowatt hour. And running cost is operating cost and transmission cost commission. So that is 2 and that is 0.6, so that is converted to 20. And overall cost is fixed cost per kilowatt hour, that is your fixed cost, interest and depreciation, plus running cost per hour, so that is per kilowatt hour, that is 2.6. So fixed cost is per kilowatt hour is 3375 into 7 divided by number of kilowatt hours, so that is 9.449 rupees per kilowatt hour. Okay. Similarly, for hydraulic power plant, the capital cost is 40 crore per megawatt hour. So that is 30,000 into 7 rupees. And interest is 7%, so that is 2100 into 7. And depreciation 5%, so that is 1500. So fixed cost commission of these two, that is 3600 into 7. Energy generated is same because peak load is same and number of hours are same and load factor is same, so that is same. And running cost is summation of this operating cost per kilowatt hour and transmission distribution cost per kilowatt hour. For hydraulic it is 1 and 5, so it is 1.8. Same way overall cost is this amount, total amount divided by number of units is your fixed cost per kilowatt hour, and running cost is 1.8. So that comes at 9.1059. So you can see that hydraulic power plant gives less cost per kilowatt hour. So that is preferred hydraulic power plant is